Hey guys, so in today's videos I followed along PatrickStarr's makeup tutorial and I got this result. Okay, I never do my makeup like this. It's so flawless, it's so beautiful. I loved how the eyeshadow came out. I used the new It's My Ray Ray and bhcosmetic palette, and I just love the fact that you can follow along an amazing like YouTuber makeup artist and just try it yourself, and with patience and practice you can literally achieve amazing results. And yeah, so if you want to see how I got this, please keep watching. Today we're gonna do a really cool YouTube video. This is gonna be I tried following a blank makeup tutorial, and the person, I wanted to choose so many people, but my sister said, why don't you try PatrickStarrr? And I also wanted to do Nikki tutorials too, but I think Patrick and Nikki are like the epitome of like glam, full coverage, like wow makeup. And it kind of scares me a little bit because they put so much makeup on their face, and I usually don't because I have really dry skin. I just really like the concept of this video because it kind of brings YouTube back into like a full circle effect. The reason why, you know, people started watching YouTube makeup tutorials is because we wanted to learn how to do makeup. We wanted to learn tips and tricks. Sister bought the new It's My Ray Ray. It's not new anymore, but the It's My Ray Ray times bhcosmetics palette. It's eyeshadows and highlight and contour, and it's so beautiful. I did want this. I don't know why I just never got it. I think that it's amazing for women of color.
I'm going to take my MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime Spray and spray this all over the face. So for fact.
Okay, he started off with Fix Plus. I don't have Fix Plus, but I have the Smashbox primer water, so let's just do that. I don't have the NARS Radiance foundation, but I'm gonna use the Lancome Tint Idol.
I did want to talk.
This is a chatty get ready with me video, so this is like the most recent video that he's done, a full coverage get ready with me, and he's just talking.
Next for concealer, I'm gonna take my Studio Finish concealer and highlight and conceal all my mistakes and imperfections that I got.
I don't have whatever he's using, so I'm gonna use my new favorite. Is the Makeup Revolution concealer. This concealer is so pigmented, so creamy. It smells horrible. It smells horrible, but I love the shade. This is like C10, and I love how it blends, how it looks, how it lasts. Flawless. I wore it on my birthday when I went out for my birthday, and my makeup looked so flawless, and all I used was concealers, these concealers. Alright, now he's doing his brows. He didn't even set his makeup. I don't have Anastasia, I have ColourPop.
Oh, Anastasia came back. She's back. She's back with this powder and apply this all over the face. I just need to blend really quickly.
Alright, now he's just baking. I don't have Patrick's powder, but I recently bought the RCMA powder because everyone used to talk about this before, and I want to start doing people's makeup. I want to do more freelance, so I wanted to buy a powder that was was affordable and like had a lot of product, but I can use it on.
Out of this double change, off for good. This powder is the best, and if you can get your hands on it, grab it, because I love this thing. Makes me look so smooth. If you see me in person, I look so smooth. It's so good.
You said powder the rest of your face.
Under the eyes. It works on every skin tone. Alright, now to eyeshadow on my camera, and I was just doing
hella matte
photos and headshots.
But like I said, I have the It's My Ray Ray palette, and it's just like simple like neutral shadows. So I'm gonna take I'm probably gonna take all the browns. Mousse, let's see, there is mousse right here, mousse, there is chocolate freak, and there is spice. And he does kind of take like a really warm color, so I'm gonna go with Spice and Control Freak first because those are the more reddish orangey brown. Okay, Spice is a little bit too orange. I mean, it's not crazy orange, but it's kind of a little bit too orange. So I'm gonna take control freak.
Everybody, and then I did pictures for my band director, and I did his family portraits. And so it was so crazy. When I launched my MAC collection, I was in an article in People magazine. Let me show you. And here I am, a beauty star's emotional journey.
Alright, so I think that I did this brown smoky eye to the best of my capabilities, and then he fast forward and did a gold like cut crease. Not a cut crease.
From my palette. Love this gold. It is so rico. It is so forge. I think that's how you say strong.
Okay, he basically puts a gold, like kind of like an orangey copper gold, all over the lid and maintains like a strong crease still. So I'm gonna try to do that. I'm gonna use Fairy Tale, which is this color right here. It's like a gold orangey color. Ooh, it kind of like is identical to that gold in his palette. And Patrick has like hooded eyes too, so he has to make a lid that's a little bit higher than his real lid. Kind of takes the gold and drags it like, just want to brighten it up a little bit. And now I'm gonna take the browns that we were working with and like a smaller brush, and I'm just gonna like darken the crease a little bit more, just to make it a little bit more like a separate. Okay, I need to like make the color shine a little bit more, so I'm gonna use the same golds, and I'm gonna put like water because I need to. I'm finally getting good at makeup. Like, I loved makeup, but I was never like that confident in my skills. Like, not that confident. Like, I loved it. I knew that I knew how to do it well, but now I finally feel like I'm like learning how to do my eye makeup for my shape, and I'm just learning.
You can comment this in the comment below.
It took me like 7 years, but.
Girl, fala português também. Você vê da maquiagem. Quando você quer uma base, corretivo, uma blush.
Sounds Portuguese.
Shut up. That's how they said it.
So weird.
Guys, I don't even have eyeliner. Like, the only eyeliner I have is this Rihanna eyeliner that I love, but it's dark green. But I think I can make it work. It kind of looks almost black. But then I can also like wet black eyeshadow and do that. I think he's literally putting more powder. Look. On makeup, on camera, this looks amazing. Do you think it looks amazing?
Yeah. For more powder. I feel like you guys did something to Coco's DNA, and then like he came up. And then
I love this. Don't you love this shade? It's so red and warm. I don't even think he contoured his nose. Contouring with Mocha and Brownie Bite. Brownie Bite is really deep, and I love that. Doesn't it look like it? You have, like, when you contour and take the time to really layer and everything, doesn't it look? And then for his blush from Shop Missa, take Radiant right here and probably a little bit of Moonlight, and just gonna, damn, that's pretty. That is so pretty. All right, I'm just gonna take the curlyqueen lashes from Eylure, the jasminbrown. Patrick has like way more like glam lashes on, but since I'm just like going to the grocery store later on and probably gonna stay home and edit this video all day, I don't really want like heavy lashes on me. And I'm using the eyelash glue that comes with it, and it's actually really, really good. You just have to wait a little bit more while. Alright, now. And then he said that he's wearing ririwoo. I mean, PatrickWoo, but I don't have that. I have ririwoo from so long ago, so I'm gonna wear that. And then he said that he has a gloss. But I think I just want to do a matte lip. Or no, should I follow it and wear a gloss? Alright, and then Fix Plus even more. I don't have that. Gosh, I followed a PatrickStarrr makeup tutorial. Let me just fluff out my hair. I'm done. I did a PatrickStarrr makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please like and leave any comments down below. What do you think about this look? Would you try this at home?